My lord, then my lord, the problem may arise, my lord, subject to kind sanction. My lord, give us some time so that I can approach before the authority. I shall come back.
No.
Kindly keep the, because it's a sentiment, it's a two different religions.
No. Proposed use is Kabasta.
Yes, my lord.
You are creating a communal problem.
No,
you are creating.
my lord, kindly
You will dismiss your request petition with cost. X, Y, Z fellow executes a gift deed. In the schedule of the property, he describes a Kabastan. BLLRO's report says otherwise.
That is yet to be done.
This channel does not promote any violent, harmful, or illegal activities. All content provided by this channel is meant for an educational purpose only.
My lord, BDO had already taken a lead on the last occasion. My lord, I filed one report, my lord. So he was trying to facilitate, my lord, compromise between the parties, my lord. Kindly cease, my lord. Answer to, my lord.
No compromise.
Para 7 and para 10.
That compromise resolution has been written, my lord, under the gunpoint, my lord, in presence of the police personnel. My lord, kindly see the page number.
My lord, gunpoint, no complaint has been alleged.
Thereafter, my lord, I given representation to the district magistrate, my lord. Page number 31, my lord. The resolution has been taken, my lord, under the red light in presence of the police personnel, my lord.
Where is your representation?
My representation, page 41, my lord.
Which is your writ petition?
Page 39. Sorry, my lord.
WP 113.
I don't know.
Your writ petition.
Yes, my lord. 113.
39.
Yes. My lord, what happened, my lord? Well, the recital of the writ petition is, my lord. First, the writ petitioner of the 113 given representation to the concerned authority, including the district magistrate, for against objection, the graveyard, construction of the graveyard within the area of the Hindu community and the school, primary school, and by cutting the trees of the non-forest area. Page number 34 and 35 of my writ petition. Thereafter, the notice was served.
What is the classification of the land?
As a kobor- s.
Then how can we say that they cannot?
It is just a creation of some people.
Why not send it to the district magistrate?
District magistrate is covered.
District magistrate will be taken the decision.
If a land has been classified as Kabastan, unless it is reclassified as some other purpose, Vastu, this, that, etc., we cannot.
My lord is very much correct, but there is some, my lord, Hindu community, but the sentiment of that community should be considered, my lord.
No. That can be considered if they are illegally burying body in an area which is not classified as Kabastan. If a land is classified as Kabastan,
so far as in the annexure, my lord, it is showing, but subsequently it has been transformed.
So far the annexure to the BDO's report is concerned, it shows some other classification, my lord. That is not Kabastan. So far as annexure to the BDO's report is.
Where is the BDO's report?
On the last occasion, my lord, I put it on record, my lord. May I hand over a copy?
No, I got that copy.
This is not Kobor-stan, my lord.
March 2025 was the
my lord, this is the present record of right.
We have got inspector of police.
And the same day, my lord, BDO's report is there, lordship. Kindly see.
Yes.
My lord, this is
the only annexure. Last page, my lord. Last page of the report. It is Aush, that is not Kobor, it's in Bengali vernacular.
But my lord, I got that copy, my lord.
Aush is some agricultural, my lord.
No, Aush is agricultural, but I got that copy. It has been transformed subsequently, my lord. Converted.
Please it on record.
You show that?
Yes, my lord. Right now I cannot find it. I got that copy, my lord.
But in the writ petition, have you said that originally it was Kaush and now it has been reclassified? That is why the problem has come.
The deed that is a gift deed, 12th April 2023. That is
in my writ petition, page number 16.
Paragraph 6, my lord, I have stated.
Mentioned.
No, that is this document.
Page number 16, my lord, in my writ petition.
No, there is some gift deed which was executed on 12th April 2023.
Yes.
In which you described it as Kabastan. It can't.
No.
Unless and until the land is classified.
My lord, the dispute arises on and from that very day when it was started for the burial.
Merely because in your gift deed you describe the document as, land as Kabastan. It can't become Kabastan. You show some record.
Well, that is the committee should transform in, my lord. It has been gifted in name of the Kobor-stan committee.
No.
Yes, my lord.
From XYZ has executed the gift deed. In the gift deed, in the schedule, it is said Kabastan. But in the revenue record, it is not so. You get it converted.
That's true. That I have.
Both the writ petitions have to be heard together since they both are connected concerning a plot of land which, according to the petitioner in WP 54 of 2025 is a land that has to be used as a burial ground for people of Muslim community. According to the petitioner, in WPAP 113 of 2023, the land is not being classified as Kabastan and it cannot be converted into a graveyard, and any such activity will be illegal. There appears to have been some settlement talks between the parties, and according to the petitioner, Adir Biswas, petitioner in WPAP 113 of 2023, the said minutes of the meeting of the alleged compromise was recorded by using police force. Be that as it may, from the report submitted by the Block Development Officer, Block Land and Land Reforms Officer, Hanskali, Nodia, the classification of the land is house.
Cultivate.
According to the learned advocate for the petitioner in WPAP 54 of 2025, the land was gifted for the purpose of Kabastan, but subsequently the classification has been changed in the revenue records by the department concerned. However, there is no document to support such a claim. Therefore, as long as the land continues to remain as classified as Aush, no burial can be done by any person belonging to any community. It is made clear that unless and until the land is classified as Kabastan, the question of making any burial of any dead bodies would not arise. It will be well open to the parties to approach the authorities for necessary relief in this regard.
My lord, may I submit one submission, my lord?
Proposed. You said as per ROR, it's
Proposed ROR.
Furthermore, we note that in the major information of the deed appended to the gift deed, the use of the land as per the ROR is Aush, and it was proposed to be used as Kabastan. Thus, it is clear that as on date, the land has not been classified as Kabastan, and therefore no burial of dead bodies can be done in the land in question.
My lord is keeping pending of this application, my lord. Then my lord, the problem may arise, my lord, subject to kind sanction. My lord, give us some time so that I can approach before the authority. I shall come back.
No.
Kindly keep the, because it's a sentiment, it's a two different religions.
No. Proposed use is Kabastan.
Yes, my lord.
You are creating a communal problem.
No,
you are creating.
My lord,
We will dismiss your petition with cost. X, Y, Z fellow executes a gift deed. In the schedule of the property, it describes a Kabastan. BLLRO's report says otherwise.
That is yet
in
to be
your
done.
own document, please. Don't run away from facts. Next.